body stand. This is only the spray booth here where the final touches of spraying our body stand was done here. Almost done with the spray, and we made a fabrication of such beautiful idea of our body stand. And very soon we're going to take it now to the department of the mechanical department, and we're going to fix the body in our body stand and try to share with you how it's rotating, swinging at its own. It's never been in, can say, Uganda or West Nile, but we try to bring such brilliant creativity and innovation. And if it was to import such machine from China, it will cost us thousands of dollars. But we managed to make it at our own way. And look at it. We saved more than $2,000 to $3,000 with the importation cost of clearance and what you already will cost us more than $4,000 US. But we managed the cost efficiency by doing something at our own in Uganda, made in Uganda now, and probably particularly made in Arua, and we made such thing. I'm going to share with you how it will work on the car now. Now we're going to push it to the department where the body is and try to lift and fix the body on it. Let's see how it's rotating. Stay tuned as we can share with you the best of our creativity and innovation. Stay tuned. Our Land Cruiser 76 series, which was under full restoration, and today we want to make a choice of selecting a right paint. The vehicle which was on the body stand. Check out the video and please help me and select the correct paint. Right, this is Mixed Buster, as you can see here. And this is NN Toyota Arua, NN group of company. This is the spray room mixer. As you know, we have multi-nation. That's a global brand. Let's look like we have here Peugeot, European brand, Japanese brand, and all types of paint we have here. Can you see? We have all types of paints here. So I can't even. It has different code and what. All the paint it is on in this world, you get it here. So as you can see the machine, this is NN group of company, NN Toyota Arua, NN Toyota Motors. This is the machine, state-of-the-art machine. As you can see, the machine are now trying to make sure our paint is as in a liquid form. Machine is operating, and here today, as I've told you earlier on that I have a big challenge of selecting the right paint to spray on our Toyota Land Cruiser full restoration 76 series, which is still under step-by-step process of full restoration. And today we are here, we want to select the right paint. And I think, Ibra, last time I think we selected one paint. Where's it? Amount, yeah. Yeah, I think this is the one among the Toyota. So we have Toyota, we have Nissan, Peugeot, Mazda. Which one? Mazda, Hyundai, can't see here. Volkswagen. As you can see, Volkswagen, Ford, Europe. Here we have Renault, Opel, and Vauxhall. This Vauxhall, do you know the vehicle called Vauxhall? Honda, Renault. So this is a multi-nation brand of paint we have here. State-of-the-art machines, cutting-edge technology. As you can see, the machine is operating. This is NN Toyota Arua. And today I have many choices today. So let's go. I think we need to go to the vehicle and select the correct paint which we're gonna use on our 76 series full restoration. Let's go. Yeah, as you can see, we're here. If you look at the car, and this is the correct, this is paint, original paint which came with the car, but I feel like I don't like it. I want to change the appearance of the car. So this was the original color, but me, I wanted to change the color to 76 series. As you can see inside as well, I'm planning either to spray the same color. I will spray on the body as well inside, but it's gonna be a bit rough. As you can see now, our floor was a bit of rusty, but now we have already managed to modify new plates, as you can see, with the corrugated design, and it looks so pretty cool. As you can see, pretty cool. We have already applied the Bondex, and now we are planning now to spray, and it's the same paint which we are looking forward to select. It's the same paint we will apply on our floor, and that's it. As you can see, even that side, let's look at it. The work is going well. I think very soon our vehicle will be ready. This already, I think this is a primer. We have applied the first coat of primer already in our body, and we are trying to look at the undercoat. And undercoat, we need exactly the color which will match with our Land Cruiser. This is the original color, as I say earlier on, and this is black. We'll maintain this black. On top, I think we're gonna maintain the white, but I'm still looking forward to have the paint which will match our Land Cruiser. And you can see the floor here. We have already applied. We have already applied the Bondex. After you see all this part here, you can look at the previous video. I think you have seen it. It was really totally bad in critical condition, and we modified the plate, as you can see the video as well. The plate which is corrugated design made by NN group of company, and then it look a bit pretty cool. As you can see, it's very cool. And that's it. Yeah, the work is ongoing. I think we'll keep update you about the progress of our full restoration vehicle, and then that's it. This is about the body work. I have around many choices. Among my favorite paint I've selected, it was either this one, or this one. Just many, it's a bit confused, quite confusing. And maybe you viewers, you'll help me and select the correct color which will match to our vehicle. I have these colors, as you can see here. I have this one, I have this one. So I'm a bit confused now. Which exact color will match to our Toyota Land Cruiser 76 series? A bit confused because all are just nice, really gorgeous colors. But I'm a bit confused now here, really. Very confused. All are just select. I have this color here, you can see. Very gorgeous the color, very gorgeous. If I look at this one as well, very beautiful. As you can see here, to match this one. And then if you see the next, it's also different color. And if you look also the similar, almost not far from, and you see also this one on our Land Cruiser, not bad. What about this one? I'm just a bit confused now. I'm just confused. And also I think with the next series we also going to update you about the engine part and the suspension part of it. So really that is our full restoration project of 76 series Land Cruiser. I'll try to give you an update earlier on. I'll also try to recap again the previous video I've shared about this project. This project haven't died, it's still alive. We are still trying to push with it slowly, because we want it to be very nice full restoration, the best ever of our full restoration project. That's why we're taking our own time to try to push it up to the end. This, Mr. Nico, we have something to take here. How do you see our project here, 76 City? You started up to now.
It's a nice project. Actually
Sure.
waiting for it. Yeah.
Waiting for it very soon. But now you start now to have some hope now. Think that the good job you're going to done on this vehicle is really a project which we start from the scratch
From the scratch.
up to this
This level up.
this level.
Section.
Okay.
No, they've been doing some welding. Gas.
Ray, can see, sure. I think this is going to be the best ever of our full restoration project.
NN group of companies.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I think that's it for now. And then looking forward to hear your feedback about our paint. And I say, see you next time. Bye-bye.
I am Nur Ismail Nozzle, diesel engineer. Join me as I share my passion for building cars and traveling to the remotest part of the world.